Chrome 139 brings a number of exciting updates across developer tools, UI styling, and privacy, making it a meaningful release for both users and developers. One of the standout features in this version is on-device speech recognition added to the Web Speech API. With this, websites can now detect whether on-device recognition for a given language is available, let users install the necessary resources locally, and choose between using on-device or cloud-based recognition. This means that when you speak, your audio and transcriptions don't necessarily need to go to external servers, improving both performance and privacy. Design and styling get a boost with CSS Corner Shaping. Beyond just rounded corners, developers can now create more advanced corners like squircles, scoops, and notches, and even animate between different corner styles. This provides a new layer of visual creativity without relying on images or complex SVGs. Chrome 139 also introduces CSS Custom Functions. Unlike fixed custom properties, these functions can take parameters, use conditionals, and calculate output dynamically. For example, you can define a negate function that inverts a value, making it easy to reuse logic across your style sheet and build more powerful, flexible CSS. For web apps, there's a new scope_extensions field in the web app manifest, which lets a site that controls multiple subdomains or top-level domains be treated as a single app. This simplifies navigation and improves how web apps register and present themselves. On the standards and compatibility side, Chrome now recognizes all valid JSON MIME types as specified by WHATWG's MIME-SNF spec, making handling JSON more consistent across the web. Chrome also adds a request close invoker command, bringing the declarative invoker commands API closer to request close behavior from JavaScript, so dialog elements can now request to be closed in a more native way. In DevTools, Chrome 139 delivers a smoother and more productive experience. Many long-standing bugs have been crushed, especially in the performance panel and AI assistance workflows. There's now support for uploading images into AI chat contexts, for example, when using Gemini in DevTools, which helps give visual context to your prompts. In the network panel, you can also right-click and add multiple request headers as columns, giving you more flexibility when inspecting network traffic. Other practical improvements include a confirmation dialog when clearing IndexedDB object stores, so you don't accidentally wipe important data, better keyboard navigation, and more accessible breakpoint tools in the Sources panel. From a networking and resource perspective, Chrome 139 improves privacy by reducing fingerprinting through the accept language header, which now exposes less information about your language preferences. It also adds extended lifetime support for shared worker, letting shared workers persist even after their clients unload, a big win for more sophisticated web apps. There's also a new soft navigation performance entry that developers can observe via the Performance API, giving insight into user interactions that navigate within the same page context. On the deprecation front, Chrome 139 drops support for macOS 11, meaning users will need macOS 12 or newer to get future updates. Also, the old purpose prefetch header for prefetches and prerenders is being phased out. All in all, Chrome 139 is a strong release that balances developer power, design innovation, and user privacy. Whether you're building apps or just want a smoother browsing experience, this version brings a thoughtful mix of improvements. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech update videos.